Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's topic, I will discuss about to install WordPress on Cpanel. This is the domain name free class for you space. Okay. So we will install WordPress on this domain. Okay. So let's jump to my Cpanel. I just copy that domain and paste here. On the document root, simply I just paste the link. Okay, add the domain. Notification I am getting the add-on domain 3 plus 4 dot space has been created. If you like to manage the file for the domain, you can do so here. Just click. So I am clicking on file manager. Drag and will come to the software section. Okay, under software section, either we can click WordPress managed by Softaculous, or we can also click on the Softaculous apps installer. Okay, simply we just click on that. Just creating the WordPress, simply you just click on that. Okay, install. Here it is asking you and to put the domain name. So in my case, what I will do, this is my domain name and I am going to install WordPress on this domain. Okay, so simply I just check, and we can also put the site name also. Whatever site name you can change it later also, not an issue. So in my case, you can choose not an issue. So I am just leaving that section, admin user, admin account section with the admin username and admin password. Okay, so admin is the user and you can put the admin also password. Now here it is asking, select the plugin. Which plugin you need to install on your WordPress? We can choose or we can also uncheck all this option. So I'm just ignoring that part. Okay, now the theme section I'm also ignoring that part. Now I'm just clicking the install. Here I'm just checking the status, the submitted. So the WordPress installation is going on. Okay, so I'm getting the message like, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now 3 plus 4 the WordPress is also installed. Okay, if we check the backend details, simply we just click on that. Okay, this is the backend details. Okay, so this is completely easier process for any beginner. Okay, those don't have any technical knowledge. Okay, they can use this method to install the WordPress. Okay, thank you.